Hi everyone, I'm Fabian from WeNoisemaker, and here is a quick demo of a new project I'm working on. This is the Pico Hub, a programmable MIDI hub based on the Raspberry Pi Pico. It has one TRS Type A input, 8 TRS Type A outputs. There's also USB MIDI in and out, and a Game Boy Link connector for LSDJ or MGB, for instance. Here's the setup for the demo. So I have one keystep as a MIDI controller and 3 Volcas as MIDI instruments, each connected to one output of the Pico Hub. Today I want to show you how to program the Pico Hub. There is a web-based editor to design a flow of MIDI processing and routing nodes. There are a number of nodes that can filter, modify, or process MIDI messages. What you see here is the most basic configuration. Every inputs go to every outputs. Now, to make things more clear, I will only keep the inputs and outputs used in this demo. First, we are going to use a keyboard split. With this node, notes above middle C will go to one channel, and the notes below will go to another channel. First, we select which channel from the keystep will be split. Now we will send the low output to the Volca bass and the high output to the Volca keys. They are both assigned to MIDI channel 1, but it doesn't matter because they are connected to different outputs. Let's connect to the Pico Hub and send our configuration to try it out. As you can see, the notes below middle C are going to the bass, the notes above are going to the keys. Now it would be nice to be able to change the split point. We can do that by extracting data from a note-on event. We add a filter to take messages from channel 2, add a node that catches note-on events, we then connect this to the key input of the keyboard split. We send that configuration to the hub. And now, by selecting channel 2 on the key step and pressing a key, we change the split point. Next, we are going to use a special node for the Volca sample. The Volca sample is supposed to be one MIDI channel per sample track. But this node will assign one key per sample on a single channel. This also adds velocity control to the Volca sample. So we take the low output of the split and we send it to the Volca sample through this special node. Now we can play every sample from just one MIDI channel. have the split. We can use this configuration to make a simple beat on the key step. Finally, since we have the Volca bass available, we are going to make a richer sound by having it play with the Volca keys. We could just share the output of the keyboard split, but it will be more interesting to add an octave shift so that the bass plays lower notes. Here we go, let's try it out. That's it for the overview of the Pico Hub and its editor. Let me know what you think of this project and what node you would find useful for your setup. Thanks for watching.